Good evening, everybody. This is Thursday, January 13th. This is going to be the equity portion of our nightly review for Market Truth. I'm going to show you about five or six different tickers that are particularly strong right now. Um, One of the reasons why the market's been as strong as it has been is I've been mentioning this week about all these stocks that have been breaking out. Here's an example. First of all, I want to show you my layout here. The upper left hand corner, these are the monthly volatility levels. The lower left are the weekly, and the upper right are the quarterly. So, Priceline this week, what's very common is when we look at this upper left hand panel, we see this nice, smooth, steady uptrend. And we confirmed early in the month to the upside right here around the 427 level. That was right as Priceline was making a new all-time high. And we notice on a weekly, this is what we're going to see that's very common when we have stocks in a strong uptrend. Um, to most people, these don't even look like pullbacks, but here we are at the beginning of the week. We had a perfect pullback to the 430 level, which was a great buying opportunity. As Priceline has now recovered, it's now trading at 439, $4 off an all-time high. Let's move on to potash. All the agriculture stocks have been incredibly strong. This one's been in the news a lot. Once again, the upper left-hand panel. This is the monthly. Once again, we traded through this. This is a buy signal here at the 163 area. You'll also notice on the weekly, we basically bounced off that weekly low volatility level on Tuesday. We then broke through the weekly the following day on Wednesday. And then also important to note is on the quarterly. Today, this is unbelievable. And this actually, it's amazing how often this happens. But to the penny, 171.80 is a quarterly high level for potash here, and that's exactly where we failed to the penny. Now, this stock is very strong. It made an all-time high today. It may consolidate for a few days and pull back, but most likely this stock is just going to keep roaring ahead, and it's going to trade much higher. Next stock we're going to look at is Cena, another stock that's been on fire. The stock looks definitely like someone's trying to short the stock week in, week out. Here again with the monthlies, you'll notice that one of the characteristics of a strong stock. Let's go to September. Broke through the monthly high volatility level. We bounced off of it in October, the low, almost to the tick, broke back above it. Here we have November, broke through it. Here we have December, broke through it. Here we have the beginning of the new year, broke through it. I mean, this is a strong stock trading at an all-time high, and it's actually the first stock this year that broke through its quarterly. Now, in order to to confirm that volatility signal, we need to have 3 trading days above it. Today was the first one, so it's likely this stock will consolidate for a little bit and pull back. But again, here we were early in the week on Monday. We broke through there at $78 a share. Again, these are stocks that you do not want to short. There's plenty of weak stocks, not necessarily really weak stocks, but there are stocks that are not going up with this rally that would be much better short candidates. Again, Union Pacific Corp, another stock all-time high, monthly, 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 every month just keeps. Here we had a perfect pullback down to the monthly low. Again, just really great price action. And this is another ticker that, again, right there, boom, taking out the quarterly. Stocks that take out quarterly levels, you want to keep those on your watch list. Very, very strong. Let's look at RIM, Research in Motion. Again, another stock that broke through the weekly early this week. On Monday, again, earlier in the week, we break through these levels, the better. Here we are in the monthly, broke through it, and today, look at this. I mean, again, you can't make this stuff up. Trades to the quarterly and fails, but highly likely that we take those levels out eventually. But it could definitely consolidate and pull back before it does so. I'm going to show you one more here. F5 Systems, FF5V. Again, all-time high, same story. These stocks, they're all singing the same song. They're just very, very strong.